I'm always excited to bring you Thursday fabrics, but somehow just a little more. I have this baby blue, and it's a Veronica beard. It's absolutely stunning. The drape on this is fabulous. It is a stretch woven. It has stretch in one direction. But the killer is it's 100% viscose. We're doing all these fabrics today for $18.99. Just incredible pricing and beautiful fabrics. Like a really light baby blue. The texture, like I said, is so smooth and pretty. A jacket, pants. It would work for so many things, but it is really stunning. I've got a couple yellows here that are 100% viscose. Yellows and blues, and they go with both of the blues and the yellow tied in and the chambray, so the whole group is just terrific together. But you can see this viscose it's got different color blues in it, the yellow, the white. It has stretch in both directions, a beautiful piece of fabric. Again, $18.99 is just incredible. This is a Wedgwood blue. Beautiful color, just absolutely beautiful color. It has stretch in one direction also. It's a stretch woven. It is viscose. It's got a tiny little bit of poly in it, and I mean very, very tiny. I burned it. It almost burns clean, but it's got just a little tiny bit of viscose in it. Again, great drape, beautiful. And then this is the same coloration as the other one. It's just a little bit different, but it's got your blues, blacks, whites, yellows. It's really contemporary, very pretty. This is a textured yellow. It goes with both of those as well as the blues. It's a knit. It has stretch in one direction. Just a fun fabric. A little bit touch of yellow is amazing anywhere and everywhere. And then this is a chambray. And I pulled in the blues because it's great with the prints as well as the yellow. This is kind of a black, maybe a charcoaly color or blue. It's pretty. It's very pretty. It's 100% cotton. It's light. It's easy. Both sides are usable. Just a great, great fabric year-round. Really, this chambray is a year-round. So the goal, you know it. Happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.